Hello everyone and welcome back to another one of my videos. And today I'm going to be starting up a new series called Yotricks Breakdown. What I'm basically going to be doing is breaking down the new Yotricks videos. So in this one we have the Talen grind. It's kind of centered upon Paul Kerbel's bind, but it's one of the new videos. It just came out last night. So if you don't know how to do a trick, comment it down below and I will teach it. And so without further ado, let's go. So first we're actually going to be watching the video, and Yotricks is nice enough to let you download the video and play it. And I don't own any of this video, so just keep that in mind. All credit goes to them. Link down in the description to their YouTube channel. So we're first going to watch it. I know the trick, but I just learned it from watching the start of the video and how I did it.
Talen grind, and it looks like this. You can also do a bind out of that. It's pretty simple, and it looks kind of...
And you need to have these ridges inside of the yo-yo so your fingers can just sit there and like that and actually do that. So I'm using the Yotricks.com atlas for this one because I thought it'd be fitting, Yotricks.com. And so now let's just get into the tutorial. So obviously this is what the trick looks like. That's what it looks like. That's what it said or showed in the Yotricks.com video. So what I found out by learning this trick is I usually just pinwheel and just go down like that to have a plain sleeper like that. And then I pop it up. Obviously, I pop it up. When I pop it up, I grab it like this. And when I grab it like this, it's the easier way to get into the Talen grind. You pop it up, grab, and then you turn your hand over so the edges of the yo-yo will grind on your fingernails, so it will sleep a lot longer on your fingernails. So that is one trick that made it easier for me. So first you grab it with your fingers, and then you turn it over, like that. And then you can just do that for fun, or you can also bind from it, which I prefer to. So you get into your Talen grind, and you whip the string over. So you can kill the yo-yo to practice this part. You want to have the string here. So if you whip it over, that's fine, but it's a little bit harder to control the string tension or this string. So what I recommend doing is you pinch the string so it's on your middle finger of your yo-yoing hand, and you just pinch it like that. So then you can whip it over and pull. Another thing that helps is when you whip it over, try and whip it as close as you can to the yo-yo, so then the slack is as controlled as it can be, and then you just pull. And then one problem that people might have doing this trick is missing the gap. So like say you miss the gap, your yo-yo is probably going to die. And then another problem I had is the string going not into the yo-yo gap, but spread out like that. So then when you pull it, it gets caught on your finger and doesn't bind. So how you can fix that is when you do that, you're going half circular motion, which doesn't help. You want to do just a full circular motion vertically, not horizontally, so then it doesn't get caught. So then when you get better, you can just instantly pop to the Talen grind. Pop it up, grab Talen grind, go over here, and when you're over here, you want to pull down, not pull up, because that doesn't make the response pads kick in. You want to pull downwards. Down, not up, because then the response pads just don't respond and it doesn't work. So this has been the new series called Yotricks Breakdown. Thank you all for watching this video. I hope to see you next time. Bye.